In today's unpredictable world, personal safety has become a paramount concern for many individuals. As a result, there is a growing interest in finding effective tools and techniques for self-defense. Among the various options available, push daggers have gained significant popularity due to their compact size, ease of use, and effectiveness in close-quarters combat situations. Designed for quick deployment and powerful strikes, push daggers can be valuable tools in defending oneself against potential threats. This article aims to explore some of the best push daggers currently available in the market, considering their features, construction, reliability, and overall performance. It is important to note that self-defense tools should only be used in accordance with local laws and regulations, and individuals should seek proper training and guidance before employing them. With that in mind, let us delve into the world of push daggers and discover the top contenders for personal protection. 3. Kershaw Brawlware Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Brawler Pocket Knife is a popular option from the wide range of pocket knives offered by Kershaw. It features a modified Tonto blade that is commonly used in rescue or tactical situations. Released in 2012, it is known for its ability to pierce tough materials and its affordable price point. The key specifications of the Kershaw Brawler are as follows. It has a blade length of 3 inches, a closed length of 4.1 inches, an overall length of 7.1 inches, and weighs 3.9 ounces. The handle is made of glass-filled nylon, while the blade is made of black oxide-coated steel. The knife style is a flip knife with speed-safe assisted opening, allowing for one-handed opening by pulling back the flipper on the handle. The Kershaw Brawler is made in China, using 8cr13 move Chinese steel for the blade, which is known for its ease of sharpening and edge retention. While it may require some effort to open initially, the speed-safe assisted opening mechanism facilitates quick and easy deployment. The knife comes with a pocket clip that can be positioned in 4 directions for ambidextrous use, although some users found it small and challenging to durability use. 2. Civivi Mini Elementum. The Civivi Mini Elementum is a smaller version of the classic everyday carry pocket knife. It features a drop-point blade shape made of hand-rubbed 14C28N blade steel in a gray finish. The knife has a flipper opener and a black, hand-rubbed copper handle scale. It also has a steel frame lock and a lanyard/keychain hold with a steel ring for easy carry. The knife is recognized for its handle ergonomics, lightweight build, and reliable lockup. It is available for purchase at a price of $42.50 and is suitable for everyday carry. 1. Civivi Baby Banter Pocket Knife. The Civivi Knives Baby Banter is a small, high-quality folding knife designed by Ben Peterson. With a blade length of 2.4 inches and an overall length of 5.5 inches, it is compact and suitable for everyday carry. The knife features a drop-point blade shape made of Nitro V steel, which provides excellent cutting performance. The finger choil allows for a full grip despite its small size, making it comfortable to use. The knife has a smooth action and a well-designed pocket clip for deep carry. Although the butt of the knife could be slightly more rounded for improved comfort, overall, the Baby Banter is ergonomic and enjoyable to use. It offers a great balance of quality, value, size, performance, and design. At a price of less than $60, it is considered one of the best small knives currently available on the market. In conclusion, the Civivi Baby Banter Pocket Knife is a standout option in the realm of small knives. Designed by Ben Peterson and manufactured with the quality and attention to detail that Civivi is known for, this knife offers an exceptional user experience. One of the key highlights of the Baby Banter is its well-executed finger choil, which allows for a compact size while still providing a secure grip. This feature makes it suitable for easy carry in a fifth pocket, while still being capable of handling real cutting tasks. The blade of the Baby Banter, made from Nitro V steel, delivers impressive cutting performance. With thin blade stock, a tall primary grind, and excellent cutting geometry, it offers a razor-sharp edge out of the box and maintains its sharpness with ease.